Hey there, basketball fans! Are you ready to show off your team spirit and style? Well, get ready because today we're diving into the ultimate gear for Phoenix Suns supporters. I'm your host, and this is Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in sports apparel. Introducing the Devin Booker Phoenix Suns NBA Kids Youth 4-20 Purple Icon Edition Performance Jersey T-shirt. And let me tell you, folks, this isn't just any ordinary shirt. This is hands down the best Phoenix Suns shirt available in the market today. Crafted with 100% polyester, this shirt isn't just about style, it's about performance. Whether you're hitting the court for a pickup game or cheering from the stands, this jersey t-shirt has got you covered. Officially licensed by the NBA, you can trust that you're getting top-notch quality with every stitch. And speaking of quality, check out those premium screen-printed graphics. The iconic Phoenix Suns logo and team colors pop, ensuring you stand out as a true fan. But it's not just about looks, it's about comfort too. The moisture-wicking performance fabric keeps you cool and dry, whether you're in the heat of the game or under the blazing sun. And here's the cherry on top, the tagless collar. Say goodbye to annoying tags scratching at your neck, and hello to all-day comfort. So, whether you're a die-hard Devin Booker fan or just love repping the Phoenix Suns, this jersey t-shirt is a must-have addition to your wardrobe. And that wraps up our review of the Devin Booker Phoenix Suns NBA Kids Youth 4-20 Purple Icon Edition Performance Jersey T-shirt. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sports gear reviews. Until next time, stay stylish, stay comfortable, and keep cheering on your favorite team.